This is the new RAIN2 alternate screen for slime and heavy growth. It's the regular screen, which is 6 inches wide by 4 inches tall, and it does have the improved little clips here. They go into the pipe. But the slime and heavy growth screen has these rails on them, and this one has rails on one side, and it's also available to have rails on both sides. So the rails can only be cleaned with a brush, but they're designed to hold on to slime and heavy growth, and because slime and heavy growth will usually get washed away on a waterfall, so it can be tucked into these little rails here. You can't scrape it with a credit card or anything because it won't fit, so you have to use a brush. Okay, so this is the RAIN2, and it starts with the regular RAIN2 screen, and which is a flat screen. That's the stock screen that comes with the RAIN2, and then these rails are added on to either one or both sides. The reason you would maybe want to have it only on one side is so you can compare the rail side with the flat side and see what side's better for your type of growth environment. Okay, obviously if you're going to be getting a lot of regular growth and you need to scrape it fast with a credit card or just pull it off, and the flat side might be better. But certainly, because waterfalls have problems holding on to slime because the slime gets washed off. The bubble upflows that we have are underwater, so they're supported by the water, but waterfalls are above the water and the slime washes off and then you lose your filter. Slime is a great filter if it holds on. So this is the RAIN2, and I will actually, let me get the pipe. Here's it going into the pipe. Okay, so there you go.